Shelby County General Sessions Court Clerk Tami Sawyer was indicted on theft, fraud, and money laundering. That's the U.S. attorneys made that announcement Monday. Federal prosecutors claim that Sawyer, who began working as a clerk in August of 2024, embezzled, stole, and knowingly converted nearly $45,000 in public funds to her own use between her start date and June 22, 2025. According to the indictment, Sawyer said the expenses were for official business, but investigators alleged that they were personal in nature. She stood alongside her attorney, John Keith Perry, while he addressed the media after the court hearing Monday.
Today was just an initial appearance, then an arraignment. We received the sealed indictment, and right now we have not had a chance to, like I said, go through and dissect every aspect of the law on it, but like I said, she's not guilty. She has enjoyed the privilege of representing individuals from Shelby County, as well as legislature when she was in the legislature, and she's done a great job. So right now, it's just a matter of trying to go forward and to do the things that she has been elected to do, and she's going to continue to do her job, and we're going to defend these charges.
Here's the Shelby County Republican Party responding shortly after the news broke. The first line reads, "The Republican Party of Shelby County is calling for the immediate resignation of General Sessions Court Clerk Tami Sawyer following recent and serious public records indicating she has been involved in federal legal proceedings and has reportedly surrendered herself to federal authorities." That full statement, along with the Democratic Party statement, is on our website. But for the sake of time, since we have Mr. Simon here, I know you mentioned holding people accountable and that she is innocent until proven guilty. So your response to all of this?
Well, you know, we have due process in this country, and that's the most important thing that we have to protect folks that are indicted. And we know we have indictments that have come up empty, but we are taking it seriously because there are allegations that really point to some things that need to be explained. And because it's a sealed indictment and we didn't see everything, and it speaks volumes that the attorney didn't know a lot about what was going on. One of the things I want to do is, before we rush to judgment, we make sure that we see all the data and see all the information that's out there and then make a decision. I don't think we should shy away from making a decision on if there are improprieties or points to things that where other action needs to be taken. I think other action needs to be taken. And, you know, we believe in transparency in our operation. We believe in making sure we're good custodians of the trust of the community and of the public at large. So the Democratic Party stands on the side of clear-cut understanding of, first of all, persons got a right to defend themselves. Secondly, we want to make sure that we have transparency on how those things happen and make sure we have clear and concise governmental operations to where people understand that we're doing what's best for the people.
Otis, real quick, because we saw something similar people are calling on with Edmund Ford Jr.'s indictment, was that they should not be able to hold office while they're being federally investigated, even if they're innocent until proven guilty. What are your thoughts on that?
Well, I mean, there is some precedent for that where the court clerk office is concerned way back, and this was in the Daily Memphian the other day. Bill Drees, I think, wrote the story about Otis Jackson, who was removed from the office because of some criminal charges. So there are some precedent to that. These are very serious charges here. I read the indictment, and we're talking about a conspiracy, which means that there's an alleged co-conspirator who apparently is cooperating with the government. We're talking about thousands of dollars in taxpayer money, and we're talking about really what is a document case here, because apparently they can trace these funds through PayPal or other online pay services. And so, yes, while a person is innocent until proven guilty, there's going to have to be some explanation about why, and she says this was all for legitimate use. Let me make one quick point,
Very quick.
Yeah, the Republicans calling for her immediate resignation, I don't remember them doing that when Glenn Cassiter was indicted, and he was the Republican House Speaker, or Brian Kelsey when he was a Republican state senator. I don't remember them doing that then. So spare me the self-righteousness.
Sam, sorry, I'm going to have to skip you on this one because we are totally out of time. Great discussion, gentlemen. Join us on 24 Plus for our bonus segment. But thank you for watching ABC 24 this week. We hope you'll join us next week for ABC 24 This Week.